So I get a lot of people asking me, what do I bleach my teeth with? How do I bleach my teeth? So I'm just going to do a video and show you guys what I do. I worked for 3 months at an orthodontist because they needed my help, and my best friend worked there. So I learned some tips and tricks while I was there, even though orthodontics wasn't really my field of expertise. But they charged like $300 to make you a set of custom whitening trays, and I'm going to show you how to do it for like $2. So what I do is I take these little, the sports mouth guards that like football players and baseball players use. They're like 99 cents at Walmart. If they come with the little attachment that goes onto the helmet, just cut that off. And it comes with basic instructions, but I'm just going to tell you guys what I do. So I take a couple cups of boiling water and put it in a glass bowl or microwave it for like 2 minutes. Then you're going to completely submerge this under the water just for a few seconds because it's going to get really malleable and pliable and bendy. You don't want to leave it in too long because then the plastic starts to shrink up. So you just want to hold it till you feel it starting to get flimsy in the water. Then you're going to take it out, and then immediately you're going to put it right on your teeth. And what you're going to do is you're going to suck in like that, and you're going to press really hard. You're going to create like a suction vacuum environment to create the mold for your teeth. So you're going to bite it, suck it and press it underneath with your thumbs and the outside all at the same time. Maybe for like 5-10 seconds until you start to feel it get hard. You're going to do that with the tops, and then you're going to do the same thing. Dip it in the hot water till it gets soft. Put it in your teeth. Suck in and keep pressing and sucking in until you feel it get hard. Then you have a custom pair of whitening trays for like $2. Then for the bleach, I've used this for years. It's Plus White, just 5 minutes. It's really fast. And the great thing is I asked my dentist and orthodontist when I worked for him about the strength of this versus the strength of the products that they sell, because theirs would be like an overnight. You'd leave the trays in overnight. And this is the same product. It's just more concentrated, so you don't need to leave it in as long. So it's the same effectiveness, just way, way cheaper. This comes with a little blue like pre-rinse bottle that helps prepare the teeth for the whitening. If yours comes with it, great. If not, I've used it for years without it too. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip open the cap, you're going to put it on your finger, and then you're just going to press it in between all the spaces and gaps of your teeth. You want to get it really evenly into all the gaps in there so that your tooth is white all the way around, not just the surface ones. So then after you do that, you're going to put a light film over the teeth, like a really thin layer. And then immediately you're going to put your tray in. You don't want your lips to touch it and wipe it off. So immediately put the tray in. Do the same thing for the bottom. And then I use it while I'm in the shower because it kind of tastes gross. So I just spit it out while I'm in the shower. And I'm usually in there like 10 minutes. So, you know, it's not going to do anything if you leave it in longer than the 5 minutes. And then how frequently I use it is I'll go months without using it. And then I'll look in my bathroom cabinet and be like, oh, I should bleach my teeth. And then I'll do it like 3 days in a row. So, you'll notice how white it starts making your teeth. It's kind of addictive. You kind of just want to keep doing it because your teeth get so white. So do it as frequently as you like. I've never had any sensitivity with this. If you were experiencing some, just stop using it for a few days. The enamel on your teeth will start to regenerate and strengthen again, and then, you know, I'd wait a couple weeks and then try using it again. But I've never experienced that at all. And then when you rinse it out, if you do it while you're in the shower, just take your toothbrush and then brush your teeth, and it helps remove it because it's really a thick kind of gel that's hard to rinse out with just swishing it around. So I just brush my teeth, and then you'll be amazed at your new white teeth. So happy bleaching and happy snow white blinding smile, and start smiling at a lot more people because your teeth is so white, and people will like it because everybody needs to be smiled at. So have a great day, guys. Keep all your questions coming in. I'll try to help you out with other tips of things like how to do teeth bleaching for like under $10. Bye, guys. Have a great day.